Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the actual question. I just drew this to emphasize what I'm talking about because he's going to do it on a place that has a lot of parts, but he wants to contour. So two things you could do. You can't use the boundary tool because it's not available. There is a way around that, but he wants it contoured 1/4 of an inch on the outside. So we're going to go outside 0.25. But when you do that, you get the inside contour. Now, you can very easily go to Object and break contour apart, and then go to Object and break curve apart and get rid of the interior contours. But if you had a lot of those interior parts, here's something you could do. You could contour to the outside 2 inches. Stay with me here. And you see it didn't put it on the inside because it's larger, it could not fit. Then go to Object and break contour apart. Grab the contour now to the inside 1.75. That's going to put a 1/4 inch boundary or a contour around. You got to break the contour apart. And then you can delete that not wanted contour. And now you have a contour and you don't have to delete all those other items. I contour out and back a lot. It's really helpful, not really in this case, but a lot of cases when you have broken areas. So that's the way to contour to just the outside. It's doing that because this is the outside of the object. So Corel's not doing anything wrong. It's just doing it what you asked it to do. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.